Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin! First, a little bit of theory. Whenever you press either of the volume buttons, you will change the volume of your media. Now this was not a volume button, this was a power button, sorry about that. So we can do this in order to change the media volume. If we click these icons right here, well, instead we can also change the alarm sound, notification sound, media sound and alarm sound. Sorry, not alarm sound, but your ringtone sound. I think so. What you don't know is that whenever you are on a call with somebody, you will actually no longer change the volume of the media, but instead of the call itself. Unfortunately enough, I cannot really show you this since I can't get anyone to call me, since I have no friends, but you have to trust me on this very specific thing. Whenever you are on a call, you want to increase the volume, because there is pretty high chance that it's simply low. Then you want to rule out other devices. How? Well, you can simply just expand your control center and disable your Bluetooth. Whenever you are connected to any kind of Bluetooth device, the device will receive the call instead of your phone. So if you have connected your, for example, headphones into your device and someone is calling you, you would hear them not via your phone, but via the headphones. So we want to simply rule out it and disable the Bluetooth to make sure that our sound should get received by our phone, not by anything else. And lastly, a little and quick reboot. Rebooting is incredibly important, and I know it may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it's really necessary. Why? Well, whenever you restart your phone, you're not only restarting your software but hardware as well, including, for example, speakers, microphone and systems responsible for calling other people. So if you have any issues with those, simple reboot should help you. And lastly, you can always check update. You can do that by going into settings. In the settings you want to scroll all the way down into system update, and we want to simply check for newest update. If we are already in the latest system, then everything is good. If we are not, I would strongly advise you to update your phone, because who knows, maybe the newest update fixed some sort of bugs with your call. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.